Nice van, cool change. I made this video 2 days ago. My friend Josephd27, he started copying Mike. A couple of months ago I talked about YouTube and making money on YouTube, and I said that I make $1 per video. Every new upload I'll make about $1. And then Mike, he started commenting, $1 comment. Then Josephd27 started copying him, and then he put like $50 comment, $4,000 comment, 4-cent comment. So let's check out what he left as a comment this time. Where's he at? Right there. So he left 56-cent comment, and I put check back in 2 days. There you go. I will report back in 2 days. Check this out. 56 cents, right on the money. Dude, play the lottery today. It might be your lucky day. Play the Mega Millions, and when you win, you owe me a Geo Tracker. So let's take a look at the Geo Trackers you could buy me. There's a few right now. This is an 88 Samurai, $7,000. This one's nice. It just has a roof rack. I really want stock, but it's nice. No picture of the interior, so I'm suspicious about that. Geo Tracker, Chevrolet Tracker, same company. Chevrolet owned Geo. This one's clean, $6,500. I would actually buy this one right now if I had the funds. Look at that thing. And then it has the 130,000 miles, not bad. Manual transmission and the manual 4-wheel drive shifter, nice. Here's my second choice if I had the money right now. 2,000 for about 7. And then this one's an automatic. It has the shifter right there. I prefer a manual, but I'll take an automatic at this point, especially if it's nice like this one. Like if it was only this one, I would get it, but I'll choose the red one just because it's a manual. And then this one's the only nice one on a Craigslist. It's lifted though, $7,500. I would ask about gearing. Is it geared to handle those bigger tires? This has bigger tires than my van has. I think it might be 31s. My van has 30s, I think. Look how big these look on a tracker. My tires on my van look so tiny, but on a tracker, same size tire, looks so massive. And then I want to share this. This is where I normally get my income from, videos like this that just get a lot of views. See, when I do vlogs, I normally get $1. About $1, but sometimes videos like this is what's carrying my YouTube channel. I call these videos my golden watch. This one's doing great right now and growing. 109 views in the last 48 hours. Oh, and then check this out. See my bookmarks here? Where's my bookmarks? Right there. 6-inch lift for Ford E-Series van. So when I was saving for my lift kit, I saved the website where I bought my lift kit. See that 6-inch lift advertisement? This is saved from more than a year ago. When you go on their website now, they advertise it as a 5-inch. Okay, watch this. So 6-inch, see right there, 6. Let's click on it. Do you want to go? There you go. What happened? Now it's advertised as a 5-inch lift. I made a video doing the measurements and stating that their website doesn't say how much things cost to install. Check this out now. Now they have an install labor link. They didn't have that before. So I made a video doing the wheel gap measurement, and it wasn't quite 6 inches. Now they're advertising it as a 5-inch lift. I wonder what happened. Why the change?